everyone, it's Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you this Bengali festival makeup tutorial which is inspired by spring season or Basanta Utsav as we Bengalis called it, and we celebrate this Utsav before Holi. So I thought, why shouldn't I create this Basanta festival makeup tutorial for you guys. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching, and before starting the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So guys, let's get started. First, I am using Wet n Wild brow kit, and I am taking this dark shade to fill my eyebrows. Next, I am using Beauty Glitz Gorgeous Me palette, and I am taking this dark green shade and I am applying it directly on my crease. And I am going to keep on blending this color up, and also going to blend this color down to outer corner of my eyelid as well. Next, I am using NY Bay White Kajal as my eyeshadow base, and I am going to apply it center of my eye. And then I am taking this lemon yellow shade and applying it on my center part of my eyelid. Next, I am using Nika Ko Honey palette and picking up this lemon yellow shimmer shade and applying it top of this yellow shade. Next, I am just smoked out the lower lash line with the same dark green shade. So to finish off my eyes, I just used NY Bay White Kajal for my waterline. And next, I am using Nykaa gel liner and draw a small thick line. Then for my mascara, I am using Maybelline Black Curl Effect Mascara. For my contour, I am using Sugar Bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder, and I am using this on my contour areas. And next, for my highlighter, I am using Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlight in Precious Petals, one of my favorites, very affordable and pigmented, and it's going to highlight my face. So to finish off this look, I am going to line my lips with this Me Now lip pencil in the shade Sweet Peach, and I am going to fill in my lips with this lip liner. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and enjoy this look. This is really perfect for the holidays, a very glam look. So yeah, comment below and like, share and subscribe to my channel. So guys, I will be back in my next video. Take care guys, and bye bye.